Morning and happy Thursday. Going stumping. Got a big cottonwood, big flare, bad access, couple fences coming down, slat tracks, dumpster. Probably going to be most of the day on this one stump. Stump itself's not that big. The flare is huge. So going to change someone's yard today. However, old dirt scooter is been put back into service. Husqvarna FE501. It's got everything on it over the years. It's a 2016. When I got it, I was riding a lot. Riding with 220 off-road tours in Nevada. Second to none. Super cool group of guys, but we were riding 2 days a week or more. Plus I'd ride locally from home. Yeah, this thing is kitted, and it's a ripper. Dynamic dirt suspension, has done all the suspension work on it. It's all Race Tech stuff. It's so awesome. Scott stabilizer, Baja Designs. I think it's the Squadron Pro XL, if I remember right. This thing, I love this bike. So I used to ride a lot, and business and family and everything else, life has prevented me from riding quite as much. So the last time I rode was over 3.5 years ago. Like, actually went somewhere to ride. Like, I've ridden around the house a little bit, but the bike pretty much sat that whole time. So I just did all the maintenance stuff on it, air filter, oil, flushed I still have to flush the antifreeze, the coolant, bled the front and rear brake. I'm gonna do a spot to pick up a spark plug. I don't know where my spark plugs went for it. I have like a ton of stock of parts for it, but I can't find spark plugs. So I have to get spark plugs and coolant. But everything else is done. Tubeless, I like tubeless. Bib mooses are cool, but they're not for me. So anyways, I don't know if you guys are into dirt bikes, but I'm happy to see that thing back in action. So I'm gonna try and ride. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see. So for now, we have stumps to smash. I'll see you guys in an hour and a half when I get there. Later. All right. This is gonna be a tough one. So there's the dumpster. This panel's gonna come down. Gives me that. Because I can't fit through this. This is like a 28-inch gate on a hill with a big curb. And then I'm gonna put mats down on the neighbor's side, and then take another panel down, come across the turf for that thing, and that whole mound's going away. I mean, it's 15 foot. About the cut is probably 3 feet above the grade. Cottonwood. Oh boy. I'm not excited about this one. Well, I think I about got it. That's all rock pile. So I'm probably going to move it back over so I can at least clean it up a little bit. I don't know. This is a mess. This has been a tough one. Man, it really didn't fill up that much. Could have done a 10-yarder. That wasn't so bad. It's definitely heavy. There's a lot of dirt in there. All done. Just got everything put back together. Used slat tracks. I didn't show them, but lots of trips. Grass looks great. Through there. Fences are back. Rocks are raked. Artificial turf, if you haven't worked around it before, it takes a lot of extra work to get it clean. And there you go. That big mound is gone. Stump is punched nice and deep for replant. Oh, that sucked. So that's it. I got an oil leak on my truck, so I'm going to start working on that now and see if I could drive home. I'll see you guys on Monday. I am moving tomorrow's job to Monday because I don't think I'm going to have a truck. Hopefully I have a truck on Monday. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. See you later. Late night update. It's after 11. I don't know. Oil pressure sensor was leaking. Replaced it with an old one. Replacement started leaking. It was on the side of I-70. Pretty close to a friend's yard. He was actually over there. And one of the people that shares the yard is like a fabricator. We took a look at it and decided to unplug the harness, the oil pressure sensor harness, cut the oil pressure sensor, thread it, put a screw in, or a bolt into it with a crush washer and some Loctite, sealing it off. Truck ran great. Oil pressure still reads, even though the oil pressure sensor is disconnected. So I don't know, but I took my time to get home, pulled over a bunch of times to make sure it wasn't leaking, losing all the oil. So that's a tomorrow problem. But I figured I'd give you an update. Have a good weekend. We'll see you guys.